Good morning, student. Yesterday I explained the movement of the earth, rotation and revolution, and today I am going to explain seasons. How the season comes means how season comes. What is the way? What is the method? What is the natural method that season comes one after one? Means season changes. Like that, after summer, this is winter. So season changes. How? How is possible? So dear student, due to rotation, it happens as coming of day and night. And due to revolution of the earth, as moves around the sun, by this way the season changes and one by one season comes. Winter season, spring season, summer season, rainy season. So this type of season one by one comes in the year only due to the revolution of the earth. Means our earth rotates on its axis. After that, as same as in the time of rotation, also it revolves or moves around the sun. It takes approximately 365 days, and in the leap year it takes 366 days. So which part of the earth has come front to the sun, that part summer season comes. On that part summer season comes, and which part of the earth is behind that, means directly sunlight is not going that place, that part the winter season comes. And which part that is commonly comes, as not there cold there, not the hot, so much hot there, that portions as in the come as the mild type of the climate there. Means there is no more hot, there is no more cold. And some parts of the earth always come at the front of the sun the whole year. So that part of the earth always the whole year receives the hot condition, means summer type atmosphere. Always the people of that area feel hot, like that equatorial region. So as the equatorial region you have studied, the plants are found as evergreen plant because temperature is more and more, means hot temperature it is found, and also rainfalls come in the many times in a day. So in this way the plant trees gets in the proper amount of water and proper amount of temperature. So in this way you can say the revolution of earth have an important role as to change the weather and to change the climate and to change the season. So changing of season, so which portion comes as in the front of the earth, and directly this part receives the sun rays, that portion receives hot condition, it means summer season come there. And which part that not receive the hotness of the sun, directly the rays of the sun, that part receives cold, means temperature is not so much high, so there is found cold. If in India begins winter, but in Australia it begins summer. On the whole earth there is no same type of climate, there is no same type of you can say seasons. Seasons are found differently in the worldwide. accordingly the revolution of the earth, which part comes in the front and which part comes in the behind of the sun rays, like that. So dear student, today you study, it is given in the book also as what is there, this diagram also you study what I told yesterday, and this in the mid, as you can say, in the center sun is there and earth is revolving. It is the revolution, earth is revolving and 4 places there. It is locating 4 places, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know already that our earth is bent on its axis at 23.5. So this is also factor as to changing the season not equally in the whole world. So you study this today for today's class. Thank you.